Okay, so today I'm going to be unpacking my new dual monitor arms I have bought. So we're going to unpack them and and then set them up on the desk. I've gone and cleaned all the desk off, so all the computers and stuff are all out of the way. We'll set this up, then set the monitors up and re-plug in all the computer and see how it all goes. Open them up, I've cut that through there, and then got cable ties, and that, covers. So this one has got, it's a dual monitor arm with USB leads, a plug connection. So this is a clamp of some sorts. One of the clamps, part of it, we'll work it out. All the bits and pieces. More bits and pieces, more brackets, little spanner tool. These are the arms. And some nuts and bolts. Just hope I haven't got this too bright. Squash it like that, get that off. Whoa, bit of spring on it. Getting a bit of a mess there. I'm assuming where all the cable tidy goes. I'm just going to read through the instructions and then we'll get set to putting it together. Okay, so this is the instructions. We'll put them cables, there's a gap there, and then this goes on like that. So we've got bolts, which on here says, so we've got F, packet's all, got it all good, it's got F there, so you go by the instructions. And then here it's showing the nuts as C, so these three. I've just got the camera on autofocus at the moment, so hopefully I've just got to keep an eye on that we're staying in the frame. Okay, so now we've got that on. Go to 2. All these anti-slip rubbers. So I'm assuming would be this one. Line it up as best we can. Not sure about that. Anyway. And then there's 4 of these to go on here. these two D bolts. We'll take the middle hole, I think. We'll give it a try there anyway. Let's try that out. That is interesting. So I've stuck this back on. The cables would normally come down through there, but my desk tower is staying on top of the desk, so I'm going to leave it like that for now. So where's about the middle? I'm going to go back about here somewhere. I want to make it firm, which it is. So I've got my 19-inch compact monitor, which is one of my monitors I'm going to use. Taken the stand off it that was on here. There's 2 bolts there, and where this compact brand thing is, I just poked holes in for the rest of the bolts. So then now I find out whether it's A or B out of this packet for the size screws I want. Just start a screwdriver. I'm actually going to go get a better screwdriver than what they're giving me. Put one on the top. Screws on there. Just slide the washers behind it, and then that sits. Whereas it'd be a bit different if you had the 75mm, but we got them, so then fit. In theory. Only just long enough for this one, these screws. So then we're going to tighten this one up. They're all tight. Not doing the best lighting, but anyway, I'm more worried about getting it all together than me filming technique for this. And there we go. Okay, we've got the Dell monitor here. The thing of this one will be a bit easier than that one, because I've just got to undo a couple of screws here. And that should pull out like that. It's easy. Take these screws off. We shall do the same because they're the 100mm as well. Towards the bolt and nut head. Slide it on the same. Put it up the right way, and there we have it. There. Then I just got to get the height right, and you can do them portrait or landscape. But there you go. That's setting up the dual monitor. Arms, obviously got to tweak them a bit, but I don't think I really need to show you how to plug all your monitors into your computer. So that's one thing I'll have to do, is put all my stuff back on the desk, put my computer back on and kick it all in. Once I've got it running, I might just record the 2 monitors sitting together just to show you at the end of the video. Okay, so this is the monitors, dual monitors set up, and then the PC tower